Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing a video on how to do a fan disassembly on a Technomotor ATC 41 ISO 20 SN spindle. We're going to start with taking off the screws to the fan covering. These are 4 stainless steel screws that are fixed to the top of the fan housing. We're going to use a 7mm wrench and a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws from the top of the fan. Keep in mind which side of the fan cover faces away from the fan. Next, we'll take a small flathead screwdriver to use the pre-existing holes to take off the fan unit itself. These screws are torqued down pretty tightly, so keep in mind you will have to apply a little bit of force. Alright, after we have this off now, we can start to see the wires that go into the bottom of the spindle body. They come up and wrap around the bottom of this ferrule. We're going to use a 11mm wrench to take this off. And after you take that off, you'll see a rubber gasket connected to the bottom portion of that connector. Use that same wrench to pull that off, and that will free up the wire. Alright, our fan assembly and wires are loose now. So we're going to go ahead and start disconnecting the cable, if you haven't already done so, from the wiring harness. These are all twist-off ferrules, so they should come off pretty easily. You'll see it has 3 pins in there. Only 2 of these pins are being used for a positive and a negative. You're going to want to undo all parts of the ferrule. You'll see there is a press fit accessory in there where the wires are pushed in place. We'll find out here in a second how that goes together. Alright, so now we want to pull our wires out. Looks fairly easy in this video, but I did have to apply quite a bit of force to this, so keep in mind that you may just have to give it a good yank. Next, you want to pull all the pieces of ferrule off your wire and put them somewhere safe where they won't roll away. This just about completes the disassembly of the fan unit. Next, you'll just have to splice and solder them in and put necessary heat shrink. Thank you.